No, we just did a $15,000 Dior giveaway. This is the lucky winner. I believe his name is Anwar. He killed it with his outfits. He posted a lot. He kept coming up every time we were randomly looking. So congratulations to Anwar. I don't know if you're a pro member, but again, shout out to you. For our Dior giveaway, they're sitting right here, waiting for a winner. And we chose a winner. Can't even open these. $15,000. Receipt still in here. Drum roll, please. That's a lot. Let's go.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Anwar. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I got a crazy one for you guys. We're doing a review of the Air Dior Jordan 1s. Let's jump into it.
Buggin on them 808s.
Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Anwar. Welcome back to the YouTube studio. In today's video, we are talking all about the Air Dior Jordan 1. So yeah, in today's video, I just want to go over, first of all, how I acquired such a rare shoe, because this is my pair. This is not a friend. I didn't go to a store and borrow it for a video. I actually do 100% own this pair. So I want to talk about the Air Dior Jordan 1s, how I acquired them. Just briefly, cool little story. I think you guys might dig it. Also want to talk about, again, because it's a Jordan 1, I don't want to cover the whole shoe, but I definitely want to review it and talk about some of the cool details, quality materials, the box a little bit. And then lastly, I want to talk to you guys about why this was my pick for sneaker of the year. And hopefully y'all can answer a big question for me. I'm kind of been thinking about wearing these, so I haven't really worn them yet. I think the game plan was just like, we'll hold them, maybe make some content with them and like sell them. I don't know. I've been thinking about selling them now because I've been getting a couple offers. I've been thinking about investing and then selling them later. I've been thinking about wearing them because I'm like, yo, we wear our kicks over here, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know what to do with this shoe. Leave some comments, man. Should I wear these? Should I sell them? I don't freaking know. I've never had a shoe like this valuable before, this rare. So if you were in my shoes, what would you do, man? Like, just comment, let me know what you think. But before we get into that whole video, make sure you guys subscribe for weekly content all about men's fashion. Go ahead and smash that like button if you enjoyed the intro. And as always, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's jump right into the review. All right, so how did I acquire these? Well, I actually won these. So I did not pay for these. I got these for free, which, man, just super blessing. I would say winning these was one of the most impactful moments for me in 2020, and I just felt like what better way than to start 2021 on my YouTube channel than by capping off 2020 with one of the most like impactful moments. So I actually won this shoe, and it wasn't a typical, you know, raffle or giveaway. It actually was a competition hosted by Teaching Men's Fashion, Jose Zuniga. So he put on a competition where if you wore, basically if you had any item, if you purchased any item from any collection that he's dropped throughout the years for his brand Essentials, rock that item in your best outfit on social media, whether it be TikTok or Instagram. Whoever had the best fit wins. And I don't know, I never really entered competitions and giveaways like that, but something just told me to go for it. And I did. And yeah, Jose is like one of my idols. I've been watching him for a long time, back when all he did was suits, and you know, he wore a tuxedo. I had to go to an event. I presented the Excellence in Education Award to Sherry Lansing. She was the president of Paramount Studios, former president of Paramount Studios at the time. Big, you know, donor event from an old gig that I used to work out when I was in high school, and it was like a big responsibility. Wanted to wear a nice tuxedo. Boom, I found Jose's Zuniga's video on tuxedos, and the rest was history. So he's a big idol of mine just in the men's fashion space on YouTube. So for him to acknowledge my work, say that I had dope photos and videos and stuff like that, and ultimately pick me as the winner, man, it was just so crazy. It gave me so much confidence as a creator, and now I'm rolling into 2021 just ready to take it by storm. So this is, man, I still can't believe I have these shoes, and they're just, wow, they're gorgeous. So yeah, let's talk about some key details with these. So with this sneaker, essentially it's a Jordan 1, but it's not a Jordan 1. So I can go all around and talk about the shoe, but I do want to highlight like 3 key areas that I feel like whenever I show my friends or people who come over, they're always like the most geeked about. So of course, the leather is way different than your typical Jordan 1 leather. As you can see, there is a little like whiskering with the creasing, just a very slight creasing on the toe, and it's whiskering, and it's actually not my preference. I really like the leather. I think it's like really nice leather, but I also think that tumbled leather that's usually on Jordan 1s looks better with age, with wear. And I see like these whiskerings, like these are not gonna make for nice creases. Like this isn't a shoe that you bust down. Have y'all seen a guy who did like a bust down version of these? I ain't like the way they turned out. I don't know what y'all thought about it. Let me know in the comments. I'll post a picture somewhere. This is not the shoe to bust down. I know they say Jordan 1s look great when they're rugged, and this ain't it. So anyway, that's how I feel about the leather. It's really nice to feel. Shoe still smells absolutely brand new. It's awesome. The laces are cool. But yeah, for me, I love that this swoosh is like enlarged. It's like emboldened. It's huge, and you got that Dior, that linen texture print. That's dope. But probably my favorite part is the tongue. So on the tongue here, it's all embedded, and you can see that Dior print all throughout the tongue. It's like a real subtle, kind of flex, but I really, really love that. So I think between this Nike swoosh right here and the tongue, those are probably tied for like my 2 favorite, kind of details on the shoe. That icy Dior logo on the bottom is so sick. The other shoe has the Wings logo on the bottom, but I kind of wish they both had the Dior logo on the bottom, just Dior like that. That's just such a clean look, and I just want to get my camera and take pictures of it all the time. I know I said I was only gonna like talk about 3 things, but what I also like is that the leather, you can tell it's thick and it's real leather because a lot of pieces are separated. And you can see like there's separation between pieces on the upper, pieces where you kind of like lace them together, and on regular Jordan 1s it's all like one piece. So the fact that they had all that extra detail is dope. And my favorite part that you never will see, but I just like, is that actually if you take the insole out and you look at the bottom, they have Dior etched in the sole there, and it's like a leather sole. So basically this shoe is just like a ridiculously high quality Jordan 1, and I don't know if they'll ever make a Jordan 1 out of these kind of materials with this kind of detail. I have pair 2,565 out of 8,500 pairs. So yeah, it's really dope. Air Dior Jordan 1. It's just such a clean shoe. Definitely not one to bust down. This isn't like a you wear it for 20 years and it still looks good. Nah, I think you pull this out here and there. It's a clean shoe, but keep it clean. That's how they made it. I think that's how it's supposed to be. But yeah, I love it. I mean, again, you've seen tons of reviews of this shoe, but I just wanted to highlight some key details that I really love about it. And ultimately, I just feel blessed to have this shoe. And with that being said, I'm thinking about selling it. So I'll start with this. So this is my sneaker of the year 2020. A lot of people are saying it was too limited. So you don't see it enough. It's too limited. Not enough people have access. You can't call that shoe sneaker of the year 2020. But I feel like a lot of old heads would say, yo man, like the collector's item, the fact that ain't nobody else got it, like that's part of the, not the hype, but that's like the heart of sneaker culture. That's what started it all. Sneakerheads just having these sick releases and being able to tell these stories about how you sat in the line in the snow for a whole week just to get your pair. Somebody knocked your tooth out, and just crazy stories. Like that's what started sneaker culture, and that's like at the heart of it is the exclusivity. So why would you punish a shoe for exclusivity when as OGs would say, like, that's the whole part of the game. So I really don't think we could fault the shoe for being that exclusive. And also I understand that a lot of people haven't seen this in person, and I think that's where the shoe really shines, when you can feel it in the material and the detail, and and you compare it to a bread toe, a pine green, a royal, you know what I'm saying? That's when you're like, yeah, this is different. This is different. The Jordan 1 is just such a special silhouette. So for them to do what they did on it, it's a simple design, but it hits hard. And this is sneaker of the year 2020. You can fight me all you want. I absolutely agree that the off-white Jordan 4 is the prettiest shoe of 2020. But to have that hype for your mama to know about it, your grandmama to know about this shoe, it to be catching headlines, like this is the shoe. And I will say, although it's not a Travis Scott shoe, he endorsed it, and they say Travis Scott was, that was his year, 2020. So it's gotta be top 3 at least. But this is my number 1 sneaker of the year. I don't know what to do. So I'll tell you, this is a size 11, and I'm a 9.5, 10. I wear 10 in Jordan 1s, and this is 11. It's a pretty snug fit. I have tried them on. They fit. I could definitely get away with it and wear them. If I had my size, I probably would wear these once or twice. But the fact that it's a size 11 even makes it harder to justify wearing them. But I'm still considering it. So I don't know. I've never had a shoe like this. Should I wear them? They're one size too big, but I walked around the studio in them and they fit. I could bust a little fit here and there with them. These are icy soles. If that gets yellow, is that gonna be a problem? Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Should I wear these? Should I hold and invest? Should I sell them right now? I think the going price is about $8,000, brand new. These have been tried. They were tried on when I got them. So when I got them, Jose had, he walked around the studio in them. So that's why there's little whiskers. I've walked on eggshells in them around the studio just to, get the feel. But they're basically very near DS. V and DS is what I would say about these. So I don't know what to do with them. Every day I look up on the wall, I'm like, I guess I'm just gonna keep them, or maybe I should go to Stadium Goods and maybe I should go to a sneaker store or put it on Gold, or I don't know. But I'm thinking about selling. I'm thinking about keeping these, wearing them. I don't know what to do. Y'all let me know. Maybe you guys have had a shoe like this, or I don't know. Just what would you do if you want a pair like these? No investment. A lot of time and effort, but no monetary investment. So it would all be profit at the end of the day, whether I wore them or not. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I appreciate y'all watching the video. As always, man, go ahead and smash that like button if you enjoyed the video. Ring that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Man, make sure you guys taking care of your skin. Make sure you continue to smile, man. It's 2021, baby. Let's smile. And as always, don't forget to drink your water. This has been your boy Anwar. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Jay Buggin, boy, you got one.
Purchase your tracks today.